Welcome to SSIT lectures. This video explains how to download and install Oracle 11g release to Express Edition in Windows OS x64 version. Oracle Express Edition will be useful for students or researchers who want to use Oracle database only for basic purposes like creating tables, doing some simple transactions, creating triggers, stored procedures, and functions. Express Edition provides all the basic features of a database. The basic advantage of Express Edition is small in size. Here in 11G, compared to other editions like Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition, Express Edition database size is very small. Oracle 11G release to Express Edition supports up to 1 GB of user data. Who wants just to learn Oracle database can simply go for Express Edition. If you are a researcher, if your data is greater than 1 GB, then you can also go for Oracle 18c Express Edition, in which up to 4 GB of user data can be stored. Here we are going to download Oracle 11G release to Express Edition. Here the download file size will be around 350 MB and the installation storage space it requires around 650 MB. Go to Google search engine, type Oracle database download. Select the first link, that is Oracle's web page. Right click in open tab. There you can see the list of database versions provided by Oracle. Go to the bottom of the page. There you can see the Express Edition. In Express Edition, two releases are available. One is Oracle 18c and another one is Oracle 11g release 2. Now we are going to download Oracle 11g release 2. Choose that link. Right click, open a new tab. Then you can select in which OS you want to install. In this video I am going to download Windows x64 version. Click that Windows x64. This will be available as a zip file. After clicking that, it will ask for an username and password. If you already have an Oracle account, then you can simply, by entering the login credentials, you can download. Otherwise you have to create an account in Oracle by entering the basic details which requires your email ID for verification. After creating the Oracle account, you can enter into the Oracle login. You are able to download the Oracle 11g release to Windows x64 zip. The file size is around 350 MB. After download, extract to Oracle XC1112 Win64. It will create a folder called Oracle XC11 to Win64. In that you can see a folder named disk1. Open that folder. There you can see two folders, response and upgrade, and one exe file called setup.exe, which is an Oracle application. You double click that setup. Then your Oracle 11g Express Edition installation wizard will open. First you have to select next. Then you have to accept the license agreement by choosing I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click next button. You have to choose the destination location. By default it chooses the Windows OS installation directory, that is C drive. I suggest to save you in a different drive so that even if your Windows OS fails, you can retrieve the data back. So here I am choosing a different drive E by clicking the browse button, and I am renaming the folder name as Oracle 11g XE, that is Express Edition. Here it shows it requires the space of around 630 MB. Then click next button. Here it asks for database password. Here in Express Edition, system database accounts password. So here you have to enter the password 2 times. Make a note of it. Using this password only you are able to create other accounts or able to log in into an Oracle database as a DBA user. After entering the password, click next. Then it shows the summary of Oracle installation settings, that is the destination folder and Oracle home, Oracle base, and the port where it runs, and the database listener, HTTP listener, etc. Then click the install button. After clicking the install button, the Oracle Database 11G Express Edition will start install the database. It will take a few minutes. After successful installation, it shows installation wizard complete. Setup has finished installing Oracle Database 11G Express Edition on your computer. Then you click the finish button. Now you have successfully installed Oracle Database in Windows OS. Thank you for watching SSIT lectures.